Hi there, welcome to Culture Channel, where I'm going to be taking you on the journey of building my stock 2019 Toyota Tacoma into an overland camping vehicle. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Goal Zero Yeti 400 inverter alongside with the 100-watt Goal Zero solar panel briefcase. I also have an extension cord so I can set up my panel away from my vehicle and still have my power inverter in my mounted position in the cab. So let's get to it. Alright, beautiful. A Goal Zero 400-watt power inverter. Obviously, all lithium-ion batteries don't come fully charged, so we're going to get this thing hooked up to the solar panel for a little instructional, and then I'll bring it back inside and hook it up to the power grid of the house. Looks like we've got our cords here, AC for the outlet in the house, so that we can be charging that. I'm also going to be installing an inverter into the vehicle, into the truck. So if I need a quick plug and go little charge, no problem. Plug it into the inverter in the vehicle. Some more cords here. We'll get to exactly what these are. There she is, 400-watt Yeti Goal Zero power inverter. 2 AC outlets, 1 DC. So, bust these open, figure out exactly. Okay, that goes right there. That's the power cord right there. Alright, now that we've got the Yeti out of the way, put that over to the side and walk on over to the solar panel. So, we got the 100-watt solar panel here in the briefcase form, and it looks like it already came in a just in case. So let's get this bad boy open and check this out on the inside here. All right. So 2 nice clamps right here. Open that. We have 1 nice size solar panel, 100 watts. Let's get this in the sun. It's about 6 p.m. over here in California, and it's we're going into fall, so I'm not going to get the most energy, but we'll see what we can get around this time. And if you plan on setting your solar panel up away from your battery bank, highly recommend getting a 15-foot extension. And this is just basically straight from your solar panel and straight into your inverter. Highly recommended, only 30 bucks, and makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to be putting your battery bank and expose that into the sun, and that'll lead to overall longevity of the lithium-ion battery. First things first, get the male, plug it into the input. This again is the 15-foot extension coming off of here. That way you don't have to be butted up right next to your solar panel. This is the only remaining little bit of sunlight that I've got to work with. So for sake of getting the video done, come back over here and you're gonna have your female outlet, and then right over here coming off the solar panel. We're gonna link these together, and that should bring us to be live. And you should hear a click, and that is when you're good to go. So let's go check the Goal Zero and see what the 100 watt is bringing in with this much lighting. As you can see, it's not too much. This is the last little bit of sun in the backyard. So let's see what this is getting us. So right now, out of the factory, the Goal Zero came about 80% charged. So we're just going right up to the full mark here. And we got 18 watt input coming in the shade at about 7 p.m. Sun should be setting in 30 minutes. So I'd say that's pretty good. We will test this again, obviously, on a sunnier day, but 18 watts, 17 watts, it's not bad for this kind of weather. As you can see, sun should be setting soon, so super happy with the product, and look forward to putting it to the test on the road. Only been using the Goal Zero for charging phones, GPS, and camera. So right now, with this sun exposure, no black spots on the panel, we're bouncing between 55 and I've seen upwards of 75. So not bad. And this is a 100 watt Boulder solar panel, as I mentioned before. And I highly recommend getting the 15-foot extension cable, because if not, I would have to have my Goal Zero exposed in the sun, which is not good for a charging battery. So the 15-foot adapter kept me from doing that, and I have some extra cord, but that's just in case the situation I need to move the panel further away. So it's perfect. Beautiful day.